clinical trial is purely a computer simulation. Do you imagine one day that we will have a clinical trial purely on a computer, and we'll get all the results like up until, let's say, price free, only powered by computer? Yeah. What if?
So it's a great question. And I think that you're onto something. I think there will be modeling of clinical trials of like predictive outcomes of what can happen based on the more data we collect on other trials that are similar, the more machine learning and analytics and AI can apply patterns and find things that'll work. And so it can model things out. It's like the weather, right? Your weatherman's never 100% accurate. It was supposed to snow yesterday, and it's very nice outside here. But it's accurate enough where it gives you an idea if you need to bring an umbrella or not, or it's accurate enough if I need to wear 3 layers or 1 layer. And that is kind of, I think, what's going to happen in clinical trials and technology is you're going to find we'll use the forecast of data that we have at some point. I don't know. I think this is very far off still. But then we're also going to run a trial and see how it compares to what the forecasting model said. And we'll be able to tell much sooner if it's effective or not effective. And we can either cut cords and save all of our funding to try again, or we can reinvest and continue investing with confidence that this is most likely something that's going to be approved. The 90% failure rate of clinical trials is a metric that I didn't really believe when I came here. And I've seen enough about it to understand how it's actually completely legit. I don't know how it's acceptable. I don't know how you put so many billions in and don't take away, like your failures need to be learning experiences. Otherwise, that's completely wasted money. And if you don't bring all that data together, you can't learn enough from the failed money spent. And that's where technology can be really helpful, is in getting more out of those failed investments so that we can leverage it for future insight.